This machine will break the fruits automatically. The work of horse will be done in minutes. This technique is used a lot in the mountains. This way vehicles will now run in water. Wow, what a wonderful technique! Now there is no tension if there is fire in the fields. The bat is colored in this way. If you put chicken and vegetables inside it, it will cut it automatically. This is how train tracks are prepared. This is how red chili powder is prepared. This is how electrical wires are connected. This man is working very fast. This is how grapes are harvested. This machine automatically cuts off a much standing water as desired from the maize. See how fast he is working for money. In China, when roads have to be prepared, this is how workers work. Wow, what a wonderful technique! This is how corn pickle is prepared by cutting corn. This combined machine is very useful. You can put any desired thickness of wood inside this machine and it cuts it easily. What a wonderful design you have made for the girl's hair. As soon as the cards are placed inside it, it automatically distributes them. This machine counts coins easily. In this way, old roads are demolished before making new roads. New machine for collecting cotton has arrived. Only a single person can pull this pipe easily. Bisleri water is filled in bottles in this way. When we place bamboo inside it, it breaks it into pieces. New machine for sowing vegetable seeds. This combined machine cuts the maize crop easily. A new tool to turn peanuts plants. With how much easy and fun are these men working? This machine prepares the roads easily on its own. It is necessary for every farmer have a small cutter in his house. Animal babies are fed milk in this way. This welding set makes welding easily even in water. If you like the video, then please like and share it.